Brandi Nicole, and I am a fine art portrait photographer based in Brooklyn, New York, and welcome to my home studio. I actually share a 2-bedroom here with Emily Teague, who is a fashion photographer, and it was really important to us to have a living room that also functions as a photo studio. So I'll show you around a little bit. Back here in the corner, we have a lot of our equipment. We are very fortunate to be lighting ambassadors with Elinchrom and have great friends at Kupo, Timba, and V-Flat World. So a lot of the equipment over here you'll see is from those guys. We have all of our backgrounds neatly organized. Many of the canvases I actually hand painted myself. You'll see some of these are in a little worse condition. This is maybe the first one I ever made. And this one right here, this light gray, is actually my go-to favorite background. I use this for almost all of my work. So maybe let's do a quick light setup with this. This is what a typical light setup would look like for me. I like to use 2 twin octas on either side of my model to give twin catch lights in my eyes. I think that looks really nice. The other thing I added are 2 white V-flats on either side of my model, and that just really fills in the shadows really nicely. How I would modify this setup for a self-portrait setup is just adding my camera on a tripod, a mirror right behind it so I can keep an eye on what I'm doing, and also have my laptop close by and tethered to Capture One so I can see the images as they're rolling in. So over here is our desk area. This is actually where we spend most of our time pouring into Capture One and Photoshop. I'm lucky enough to share it with Emily right here, and it's always nice to have that second pair of eyes and advice whenever we need. So the last place I wanted to show you was the print wall. We like to keep our images up here all the time so we can kind of see where our portfolio is at, but when a client comes over, I like to print out their work and have it displayed on the wall. And that's our space. I really hope you enjoyed this. We really do try to keep it as minimal and clear as possible because it's not uncommon to totally transform the place on a whim at midnight. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll see you next time.